Interest calculation report. Auto calculation of interest under Section 201 of subsection 1A of Clause 1 and Clause 2. Detailed calculation in Excel. Saved report can be opened anytime, saves your precious time and effort. Open respective TDS file to calculate interest. Go to Chalan window. Chalan details are entered. Go to deduction window. There is delay in deduction. There is delay in tax payment as well. Let us generate interest calculation report. Go to Tools menu. Select Interest Calculation. Select New Report. You can close the Excel. To view already generated interest calculation report, go to Tools menu. Select Interest Calculation. Select Open Saved Report. The relevant folder is kept open. You can open the file. Thank you.